how to fix this error on Valorant. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do, just type here command, right click on it, click run as administrator, and then click yes. After that, type here net winsock reset. After that, type enter, and now type this command ip config slash flash DNS and click enter, and then close this window, and now just type here device manager and make sure to update all those drivers here like display adapters. And if you want to update it, right click on it, click update, search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Make sure your GPU drivers is updated, and then also update network adapters, and then don't forget to restart your PC, and that's it. See you in the next video.